तो भाई लोग सबसे पहले आपको इस पे आ जाना है उसके बाद तो hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best T-Rex mining website. So link in the description. This is the mobile number, this is the login password, this is the security password, and this is the invitation code, and this is the captcha code you have to fill here and click on sign up. After filling all the details you will sign into website. Wait, let me sign up. After signing into website you will see this type of interface. So after close this you will get 1000 TRX welcome bonus. So this is the best thing about the website. So after scrolling down you will see deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app and logout section. So after scrolling down you will see the TRX wallet and promotion account. So after scroll down you will see platform data display and membership. So this is we are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potential cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate. So after that, companies global partners are WazirX, CoinDCX, JNS Mining, Bitmain, Binance, Coinmint. So after that, there is a trading section. You will see 4% cloud mining trading. So this is the best thing about the website. This is the investment list section. You will see TRX rate 9.1 day, 7 day, 60 day, 60 day. So I click on this. You will see 5000 TRX and 10,000 TRX 1 day 9.5. So this is the best thing about the website. So after that you will see 3.9, 60. So please invest according to this. So after that I click on share. Here you can see invite your contact, refer and earn. If you refer and earn, if one of your friend or family register with your link, you won some reward. So this is the link. So after copying this link, paste in your browser and go to this. After clicking the mine section you will see deposit and withdrawal. So I will explain it later. This is the team section. So I click on team. Here I find the member, total recharge, commission and this. So after scrolling down you will see the profit list section. So here is the profit list section, basic account and promotions account you will see here. After that this is the sharing section and this is the logout section. Now I will show you how to deposit. So click on deposit. Click on investment account. Here you see the TRX address. So copy this address and go to your crypto wallet. So wait. After opening to the Tron section I click on Tron. I click on send. Here I fill the address and here I fill the amount. So it takes only 5 to 10 seconds to complete the payment. So I click on this. So after that you will see it takes only 5 to 10 seconds to complete the payment. So wait for the complete the payment. So transaction is completed. Now I go back to a website back. Wait. After coming back to a website you click here recharge complete and it within 5 to 10 seconds my balance is updated. So here guys my balance is updated. So I show you the proof. This is the proof. I show you the 48 TRX is done. Now I show you the withdrawal. I click on withdrawal. There is a main wallet. So I click here. I fill the address. After that I fill here the my wallet address and I click on this. Click on confirm. So my withdrawal is successful. So I will show you. So that's all about the video. I explain all the details. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.